Audemars Piguet Royal Oak Concept, Spider-Man Tourbillon watch. Main features are case, titanium case, and black ceramic bezel, glare-proof sapphire crystal, and caseback, black ceramic screw-locked crown. Case size is 42 mm. Thickness is 14.6 mm. Water resistance is 50 mm. Dial, open-work dial with Spider-Man figure, white gold hour markers, and hands with luminescent coating. Bracelet, black rubber strap with titanium, a P folding clasp, and interchangeable strap system. Additional red rubber strap. Frequency is 3 Hz, 21,600 VP. Power reserve is 72 hours. Total diameter is 32.3 mm. Number of jewels are 19. Mechanism is hand winding. Other functions are tourbillon, hours, and minutes.